welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study Style.
All of you, I hope you all are fine. So as you know that we have started our word map series. So today I have come with a new video on MCQ based on South American continent. As you know that we are doing the South American continent, so there are some of the MCQs based on it. So if you have not watched my video on South American continent, so I would recommend you to please watch that video in my playlist, or I will provide you the link in the description box so that you may easily give the answer to these questions. Now we start with the question number 1. Question number 1, consider the following statements about Lake Titicaca. As I told you about this lake, so first is, it is the largest lake of North America. No, this lake lies entirely in South America, so the option 1 is wrong. It is shared jointly by Bolivia and Peru. Yes, this option is right. So the answer would be B, that is only 2. So guys, as you can see it over here, this is the map. As you can see, this is Bolivia, this is Peru. These both the countries lie in South America, and between them there is Lake Titicaca. So this Lake Titicaca is a part of South America. Here the answer would be B, only 2. Now we proceed toward question number 2. Brazil doesn't share boundary with which of the following countries? So we have the options Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Suriname and Chile. So guys, if you remember, I told you that in the South American continent, Brazil is the only country that is touched by almost all the countries except 2 countries, that is Ecuador and Chile. So here it is asking Brazil doesn't share boundaries with which of the following countries. That means one would be Chile and second would be Ecuador. So the answer would be 3 and 5. Here you can see in the options 3 and 5, yeah, it is given over here. So the answer would be C. C would be the answer. Let me show you in this map also. So as you can see it over here, this is Brazil and it is touching the almost all the countries of South American continent except this one. This is Ecuador and this is Chile on the western coast. You can see it over here. So the answer would be Ecuador and Chile, that is C would be the answer. Now we proceed to question number 3. Which of the following nations of South America are landlocked? So guys, as you know that the landlocked countries are the countries which are not situated on the coast of any sea and there is no navigable route to any sea, and they are entirely lies in the land area between the 2 nations or more nations. So it is asking which of the following nations of South America are landlocked. So first option is Peru. Peru would not be the answer because it lies on the western coast of South American continent. Bolivia, yeah, Bolivia is a landlocked country. Uruguay will not be the answer because it lies on the eastern coast of South American continent. And Paraguay, you can see, yeah, Paraguay is also the landlocked country. So the answer would be 2 and 4. Here you can see the C option. So the answer would be C, and I'm just showing you this in the map. So guys, as you are seeing this map, you can see it over here that Peru lies on the western coast and Uruguay lies on the eastern coast. And you can see Bolivia and Paraguay. Bolivia is a landlocked country which lies entirely in the land area. That is between Brazil, Peru and Chile. And this is Paraguay. You can see it over here, this one. This one is Paraguay. It is also the landlocked country because it lies entirely on the land, in the land area between the nations Argentina, Brazil and Bolivia. So the answer would be C. Question number 4, consider about Chile. Andes run across the entire western coast of Chile. Yeah, this statement is right because when I was talking you about South American continent in my previous video, I told you that Andes mountains run across the entire coast of Chile. It shares boundary with Argentina, Paraguay, Peru. So this statement would be wrong because Paraguay is not the country which is touching the border of Chile, but here Bolivia is the country which is touching the boundary with Chile. So the answer would be only 1. Answer would be 1A. Let me show you in the map also. So guys, here in this map you can see that this country is Chile. This one written over here. And I told you that Andes runs from Colombia to Chile. That means Andes run across the entire western coast of Chile. This is the right statement. It shares boundary with Argentina, Paraguay and Peru. You can see it over here. That Peru, Bolivia and Argentina are the countries which are touching the border of Chile. So, and here it is given Paraguay, so this would be the wrong answer. Hence the statement 1 is correct. A would be the answer. Now question number 5, which of the following South American nations lies wholly outside the tropics? So the options are Paraguay, Chile, Uruguay and Argentina. So guys, if you remember in my previous video I told you that South America is a continent through which equator 0 degree and 23.5 degrees south, that is Tropic of Capricorn passes. That means two main latitude passes through this continent, South American continent. So from Tropic of Cancer passes 4 countries, that is Chile, Argentina, Paraguay and Brazil. So here Uruguay is the country which do not passes through the tropics, so the answer would be only 3. B would be the answer. Guys, you can see it over here. This is Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south. So you can see that Uruguay is the country which lies to the south of this Tropic of Capricorn. And you can see that Tropic of Cancer passes through Chile, Argentina, Paraguay and Brazil. So the answer would be only 3. B would be the correct option. Let's see the question number 6. Which of the following South American nations share coastline with both the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean? So the options are Brazil, Colombia, French Guiana and none. So guys, you know very well that South American continent is surrounded by 2 oceans. That is, on the western side it is surrounded by Pacific Ocean and on the eastern side it is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. And I told you also in my previous video that only one country is there in South American continent which is touching both the oceans. So the answer would be Colombia. Answer would be 2. Here in this map you can see it over here. I told you that this is Panama, and this Panama country is separating this Colombia country into 2 parts. That is, this part is touching this Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. As you can see, this is Caribbean Sea, which is a part of Atlantic Ocean. And this part you can see over here, this is connecting this Pacific Ocean. So Colombia is the only country here. Colombia is the only country in South American continent which is touching the 2 oceans. That is, in the western coast you can see that Pacific Ocean, and on the eastern coast you can say it is touching Atlantic Ocean. So answer would be 2, that is Colombia. Now we come to question number 7. Consider the following statements. Guru, actually it's not Guru, it is Guri. Guri Reserve is an important water reservoir in Colombia. No, this statement is wrong because Guri Reserve lies in Venezuela. I told you earlier also in my previous video. Angel Falls are located in Venezuela. This statement is right. So the answer would be 2. B would be the correct option. Now we come to question number 8. Lake Maracaibo, one of the biggest lakes of South America, is situated in. So this I have already told you. So let's see the option first. Colombia, Ecuador, Venezuela, Argentina. So the answer would be the option number 3. That is Venezuela. This lake Maracaibo lies in Venezuela. So guys, as you can see it over here, this is the country Venezuela, and here you can see this is Lake Maracaibo, and this lake entirely lies in Venezuela. So the answer would be 3, Venezuela. Question number 9. Consider the following about Amazon River. It is the second longest river of the world. Yeah, it is right because the first one is Nile. Madeira is the largest tributary of Amazon River. Yeah, this statement is right because I told you in my previous video in which I explained you about the South American continent that Madeira is the right bank tributary of Amazon River, and it is the largest tributary of this river. So the answer would be both, that is C would be the answer. Now let us consider question number 10. Consider the following statement about selvas. First option is they are the plateaus of South America. It is a wrong statement because selvas are not the plateaus, but these are the dense equatorial forests. Selvas are located near the, actually this is wrong, this is bank. Selvas are located near the bank of river Amazon. This statement is right. So the answer would be only 2. B would be the right answer. As I told you that selvas, this term is commonly used for the Amazon forest, and these are located near the river Amazon. So the answer would be B. Now these 2 questions. Brazil share boundaries with all the countries of South America except 2 countries. As I told you that Brazil share the boundary with almost all the countries of South American continent, but 2 countries except, that is Chile and Ecuador. So here the answer would be 1, Chile, and Ecuador is not given here, so you must know that the second one is Ecuador. Next question is Panama share boundary with which of the following countries? So if you remember, I told you that this is Panama and this is touching the 2 countries, that is one this side and one this side. So in the north direction over here it is connecting Costa Rica, and in the south direction over here it is connecting Colombia. So the 2 countries are Costa Rica and Colombia. Answer would be 1 and 3. So guys, I hope you are getting the things clear in your mind, and if you are not getting the viewpoint of this South American continent, then you can watch my previous video or I will provide you the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, then please like it, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.